mom was diagnosed with cardiac valve disease, which her left heart was narrowed and can't pump blood properly. Her doctor suggested that she should seek medical treatment overseas, and she reached out to Medivisor. Based on my mom's medical report, the doctor explained everything about how the surgery will go. With God's grace, the surgery was successful. My mom is doing fine. She recovered very well. My name is Paraka, and my mom's name is Elisa Paraka, and we are from PNG, Papua New Guinea. We came to India because my mom was diagnosed with cardiac valve disease, which her left heart was narrowed and it can't pump blood properly. She was on medication for 5 years. During a visit at Port Moresby General Hospital, her doctor suggested that she should seek medical treatment overseas. With that in mind, she was scrolling through Facebook and she saw testimonies of few Papua New Guineans coming here to India to get medical treatment through the help of Medivisor India treatment team. And she reached out to Medivisor, asking them about how to come to India and all that. The Medivisor responded back to her, explaining everything, and they asked her to send a medical document. So she sent the medical documents to Medivisor, and they prepared our medical visa, and we came to India. Upon arrival, the Medivisor team were at the airport. They picked us there and brought us to the hotel to rest. A few days later, the Medivisor team brought us to one of the hospitals here in New Delhi, and we went to the hospital and met with one of the top surgeons in the hospital. Based on my mom's medical report, the doctor explained everything about how the surgery will go and all that. He explained so well that we understood what will happen to her. The next day, they admitted us at the hospital for her to undergo the surgery, and with God's grace, the surgery was successful. We were there at the hospital for 1 week. She recovered very well. She recovered very fast, and they discharged us on Saturday. So the Medivisor team took us back to the hotel where we rested there, and now we are ready to go back home. My mom is doing fine. She recovered very well, and she's fit to fly back to home, Papua New Guinea. With that, I want to thank Medivisor team for their support and their help here in New Delhi. New Delhi is a very big city, and with the help of Medivisor team, everything went well. And I want to thank you, Medivisor team, for your help and your support here. If you guys are seeking for medical treatment overseas, I would recommend you guys to reach out to Medivisor India treatment. You can check them on Facebook, on Instagram, and reach out to them. They will reply to you very fast, and they will guide you through. Come in here and to the hospital, they are here to help you. So if you are seeking for medical treatment overseas, reach out to Medivisor. This trip wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for Bank of South Pacific. On behalf of my mom, my dad, and my siblings, I want to say thank you to BSP for making this trip possible. Thank you.